What up? What up? What up? What up? What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Good morning. Today is day 54, and I'm over here right in front of Mitsuken. Yes, sir. You know, I was just in the neck of the woods. I think the first one bank to do something, and then saw Mitsuken. I remember that this Mitsuken is still here, but I remember the first one that was all the way in School Street. That one was gone. So like I said, I haven't been to Mitsuken in so long. They used to be in School Street, but their taste and that plate was still the bomb. Woo! Brought over easy eggs with bacon and garlic chicken with fried rice. Bro, that's a breakfast special right there. The combo that is. Hey, check it out, my boy Didi made it in the front page, a cover of a magazine. Let's go. Hey. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, while Will is doing the DVIC, as you can see in this video, this clip right here, he's doing the DVIC to check every little thing that has happened or not happened to the vehicle. We also have to double check the fuel, AC, the window, the windshield wipers, and all that good stuff. So this is what he's doing.
C money.
G money right here, ladies and gentlemen.
Following them, my boy.
Alright, bye.
Willie, what's up, man?
Good, man.
Shit, you your daddy's son.
What?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Shout out to my boy YouTube channel, man. Like, subscribe, follow.
Thank you, appreciate that.
We about to hit 1 mil by the end of the year. We gotta manifest the shit.
Yes, sir. I
That's
believe
it.
that. I believe that.
That's it. Manifest it.
I will.
And you good to go.
Yes, sir.
Now but the best. We manifesting, now look at it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we still here parked at the launch pad B, and we are about to load up. Just waiting for the person to call it out that we're clear. Got brother Willie with me, and we're gonna be doing 135 packages today, all the way up in Kaneohe.
2.5.
So we here at our first stop. We got Willie delivering. I'm gonna be shadowing him for a little bit, and then yeah, I'll do my turn and show him how I do it. Yeah, here in Kaneohe, enjoying these beautiful views. Look at these mountains, lovely. We had to find that address out there. Yeah, it's pretty far. Gotta Willie get him. Yeah, you. Let's go, Willie. Yes, sir. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we stay at Taco Bell here in Kaneohe. We're about to grind. Yes, sir.
Oh, it's been a good day. Learned a lot of things today. Now it's on.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are done. We just did our DVIC, brought a Willie, caught up on some tips. I got Kiara, who just bumped into us over here at the same time. What's up, Kiara? Anyway, it was a good run up in Kaneohe. Had good fun. Thank you, Willie, and thank your wife for the Taco Bells. Now I know where to go for lunch. All right, to end the night, I just wanted to make a birthday shout out to my 3 brothers. I got Jerry, I got Jarrett, and I got Sam. Happiest birthday to you 3 Kanakas. You know what I mean? All right, you guys stay safe. God bless. Love you guys.